Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi.
kwabira sengenjo yobututokanwa mario ikurende negatono isisato egeteseri Nensoko TV togendera samangana mayo morgo bono iga mwanchumwelia yokombati asensemo yemyendo teyonde gutatiga nsalo mekerubona yari mutu ngati yana kwaraganirie asenchera ere yobekanu kurigitseni kyo kyabene Nensoko TV omorgoba obono
Dr. Fredo Kelo Matiani akabeke mipango yokorete railway line etegasi itonyamira aiga ikonge yekogenda uchumate rogere eserikali yekere yaswa ikarusia railway station ya kwenda ko barase ito bakachaka bototaina naide mbache banyemeke etayesema
oyo korigie kirukyo bunga nsema ye bunga ya kitutu chache South Calvin Kenani Omwando kwenye serikali asokunganye getaseni kigetange kiereri kurwensemo ya ikonge county ya Nyamira.
The National Delegates Convention this morning has unanimously proposed and endorsed Honorable Caleb Amisi, who is one of our distinguished guests today, to serve as the party leader of the People's Renaissance Movement.
Ekiama ya People Renaissance Movement kokoro mosangere karamone memochio Nairobi ase mubunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Sabaot Caleb Amisi achorwe bene kobo moraibwe kiamekyo.
Who are these doctors who accompanied Raila Odinga against the wishes of his personal doctor, Professor David Oluocholunya? For the first time, Kenyans must know what happened. I have intelligence information as follows.
Henekeria tene ni abakenya obwene igoro ya makwiri yoyo kabiro mwaziri omonene imeyense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga amo na nyagosira Johana Ngeno omoraibwe kiama ya DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kumaboli omoraibwe nse ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto. To chaka bene amaye getone isisato mwanche mwilia sebono to botamuka witno chaka kurosongo rwagusia sebono mumuroyo mo kokoro kwa Daniel Matoroki nigo abora kurwa asenka yabo butukubugo kera rero aseka gitayegeke igento bayego kiagerire abakose kiagerire gyakirwanga nigo abakabaka gotariwa nabarogi asensemeria ya Sironga imeye wodi ya Bugichora nsemo yebunge ya West Magirango county ya Nyamira karengana nabibori baye nigo umuroyo asoka chinsa angaisano nemo igacha butuko iretko genda gwekonya kurende wereke getambe teneti egento kebera barabugo twaro bwoba nago chaka komorigia ya matiya semeyo nigabone yagikire gekorekyo asekeringa negetambukero sine bikorwa byetirwe ene chingaki amone biro muri keto Vincent Monda nigakoretara weka sensemeyo nagotonera botiro ko bwatia senchera yoboikeranu
yabantu batoreke senjo gotari umwana nandocho mwana amubwe kore familia ye negento kende kebesana
nase enkayo mugaka Charles Mumanyi yamateye nigichanete gekore kyo botukubugo kera rero ekyo kyabwatera ni umwana obo mumurokoro kwa Daniel Mutaruki
botukubwa rero nari naika kinsa bicha ikirange sa sita botukuiga umwana yo genda nganso tukagenda siko taji kuirana naso ogete njabono kanyo nyine na irite kinsa kumbe na tegerete ogo chikobwati omwana akanyara taiya sakurara tugaika sasa akanyara omwana oyo amiseti nyumba agake patrol igara ndi agajekine cyo agenda kero kende mna marwira akira mwakerenjera akanyara taiyo kerenda ko litanya taiyo aliya netaga dress Oya kubika bana kianga kia kawaida ngo mubori ngayo gochibona dende.
Omukia bwo gotema kumuriga mutaruki ni gosarira ase chinsa chinyinge egento bego kiagere ya Mateyo nsikumanyigwa eri babwate sienke ye kumuriga omumuro yo.
Balende kurate ga kwekenyoroga nenche nganza bono kanyona atwaliro bwoba kanza gukura. Kosoka wichabu chenkanyara bane se ngasa chesting ngento ngokora. Bantu bagante bagasoka kuche para laiti abantu bakomiyoka abantu kuchisteni.
Twakumisana chinse chianga saa 7 na dakika 17 iga akare twanyora abantu bajakire gukura ninki na oweni orure nyomba ntumatie sagende twachaga magana ninki kiaba
mutaruki nigo konyora bangire kugenda konyora masomo manene ye university mutinyo yiga chinga kibona nyora nene gakore ikyo kagendete kweroberia korengana ne amateye nige simi yaye yari woka gekorima chinse cyo bari kumurigia egento bego kiaba ko ngukumanyereria buna kayaberete asege kegetambe nigo bamonyora karange nase bakoroke koroba karomogoyu
ato karo sete sana tari gokwana akini akero kumurigererio so gongo bona bagotaka kuigwa lakini gokwana igogore tai kuirane ne chinguru bono nabo kumo support yo mara gotara
nege kore kikiagereria Mateye kwe murungania bororo bagoteba buna amangana aya namabe
ngakiya bono tindu cinga tubwate asi umuntu agutari kunga no borogi ibintu bitugukana
engakiya rero twaitirune ne cinga kia samangana yakorekana yo borogi nyore no yo kore gotemba gocho mucho tawate saitani asindu kiagara ntota itigento muneke nandege chikorekana tiga muntu as anyo morogi karumia tiganga aroga abana banyore gisemi bagende baje gotokonya inkaiga barusio botaka
naye etwangata ngondo bwate gente kamune chinga kichiarire kanisa jechoye tiga bantu baende kanisa omani nyasaye batiga mangana yo borogi
ekekore kenigo yatigire nke ya mumanyi kere no bwabo bonge abwase bagoteba abo bagokorayo nigo bari ne kerenge kebe
ono naro na mate mugeta che kiagara ntana korwa into mungekyo nande ochabone chetini ko iranga engana yarenge yoko onkore ama yekiagera nyono muntu onkore ama yae boja mugaso eno magatemu muntu ale konkore usakorire
mochego tareri chali sio mwana ga igamo gosoka na mosoka
abarogi nu moko gokekera abana babantu bachandegete omorogi muno yartu manya saberete nyasa kenko baya mugaso igoro amwake munapa egera arorekane
barogi abantu anako barora ngai bano bakebisete
Vincent Monda Ensoko TV
Muriketo Vincent Monda asorobo tuirio senchera ayo obekana bege korwa kyoboichani sana kure kaunti ya Nyamira togoska mutu mwache muyani ko bana abanyimbo amona ababiso botuki ba DCI kuregeta sene eya keroka nigo bacha kire botukiri morioka maega yo mogaka bwe myaka yegatwa hoyu konya gokore merimo asenka yo mogaka ombati ensemo ya mochenwa atuka gaitire na gosire ugima bwaye asenseme yo imeye sub county ya Masaba North ensemo ye bunge ya kitutu Masaba he county ya Nyamira nyagosira oyu manyakaine aserie tabuna James nigo korengana n'abananchi akagaire goitwa asensemo ye nyombe ya moyo kwegokya asomwichi oyo maega yaye koirwa kobekwa asangao ensemo ye nyombe yo nigo bono nonye nigo abanyanyimbo bamunaririo monyene nyombe yo kwegokya ase omuberoye oirwa gwikase nkendu yagucha chinsemo cha keroka muri kete Sophie Oigara niga koretara gwikase ensemo ye korekyo na utuniro volti rukubwatia
amayanda na magomba manene nigo abwatanse asensemo ya mochenwa eyue gotoka ime ye wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya bugitutu bwa Masaba county ya Nyamira ayaniga gochicha rimorioka magega yo musacha w'emyaka ya igatwa aserieta James atoka gaitire asemambe ya rero nakobekwa mbarabare angene para korengana na kirori nigoberera buna tera abantu ndentangani asensemeyo konyora ebikoro binga bune biga byo gutakogia asebate bire buna nigo babeire bagosaba eserikali osieka enyombe yemo yo kwegokia asensemeyo korende nigo egenderete gokora igasi asebono nyagosira akageire goiterwa ase nyombeyo na koimukigwa kobekwa mbarabare ne para erange ne nyombeyo yo kwegokia
kijana amesema tulikaa na security meeting tukasema ipa ya juu hapa ichunguliwe ijulikane hao wametoka wapi kuja kufanya biashara hapa. Chief, assistant chief na chief both side walikuwa hapa.
ku musa umugaka omoke utabwate miaka elia wone tanga tote ngatianga na igorerwe geisieri kya makweli nganera soe asenjerde ere ya etama yogoitwa iyo etaribuya litangani kabisa igonda teguchake ko tobwate barasa eyarenge gaiga mochenwa injeno yo mobuli natenete inkagikeria ebaye yakoro kutriben mochenu gaiga ebaye ya triben niwe yabwatu mochando njabwate no online says ekere bisanga byogoitu byarorekane tororo insecurity yarorekanete untu atebete maisomarore tugateba nanje awonete koego analysis na ndi yarengo sheku completely
bono nigo barure ogosaba gochiasia serikali gochakia obotuki bwa bene na kumanya ekerenga kerio kirerete nyagosira goito goika gokwa asebono konyora are esemerio ye familia ye
enkorokwa Peterson mukaya mukwa elimanyekanite Mikaeli Samuel Ogero kurutongo sengera enachire iga asinge njuna igunga omwana ominto na kenyetwe na itetwe ase paerega nagia nkonire nga kibono twacha na ende ngikigenderetega bono tukumitinga eserikali nero igentege tangani kabisa esabu chief oiketo kororo ne chief na county government oikecha ko ni for kesiek egarito manyinga nki omwana ya iteire na ende town ye nebwate egento korokanga chairman ye town nero na county council ngotokere town ye egarito manyinga egeregenti kebe kiroro nikyo goita abantu osenega okore biasara
bono nigo abanyanyimbo kurua asegeteseni ya keroka baikirana asensemeyo na kurusia umubere onyagesira kuyoira asenkendu ya gucha asebono okendererete na nigo obutuki bwa bene bwachakigwa rimorioka
njenkoro guchulia sinyakuni mukwa yo Samuel omwana oyo kanyirega no yo minto nero mukogoti amangana ya mumuro minto monna kwana tweguru bube sana anu twagachi bube sana kurentige serikali tubwatisi
ngoripoteria igeteseni keiga yensoko kuriga asensemo ya mochenwa egotoka ime yebunge ya bugetutu bwa Masaba county ya Nyamira nchenkoro kwa Sophie Oigara
Byamono mulikito Sophie Igara soroboti uru esenchera yowe kantos kemo tubono asaje kubatera mngane ye siasa nigo naende asentuna yende nigo mubunge bwensemo yebunge ya Burabu Patrick Osero abekuru eratiri igoro yobotumike obe ebweni bo ya CDF asemero berio ao asebono musa oyule neganga yokorigia ekerogo kya Burabu morarake baso abolirio mubungo yosero aderebene kubwatikana anechibesa gwikachishiringi chiri uchi milioni chimesa na 3 echio yagateba chatumeka kubore pambo ase skuru ya Makura ase kurende skuru eyo etabwatie pambo gosege sima gose ebohol nigo boigo asensemo yendeke baso agosrerenga na cheko genda gwikase kigambero erio kobo bwatereria ekyombe kya CDF kya Burabu gwakana chisira ebwate gochi ase baria egoretie binto we suppliers aya niga yakwana asensemo yababwatani bajubiri na bamenyi bechiro ya Mukomoni ward ya Kyabanyoru ensemo yebunge ya Nyami ensemo yebunge eyo ase county ya Nyamira muri keto nyari kembunde no arenga sensemeyo na gotobana rero botiro kubwatia
nama ya na korera wanta
nase echiro ya Mukomoni yegotoka se wodi ya Kyabonyoru bunge ya Burabu ime ya Nyamira asomo yego bareta mo babwatani bachubiri abagosira Dr. Fred Matiangi aigo yokuriye keroke wo bunge bwa Burabu moske morake baso irari bageri wasioria ati yebinto biria inse yo bisi omujumbe ora bisi moske Patrick Osero yabeirege kugora gochia asensemo ya Makura
maesa mangana como ngora asengencho amatukabera etete na chiete skuru elie kurukwa Makura enare gosome file yane ya masakara orwase national government omolikyo manene noli okolire ebitabo bya serikali na chibesigo tumekwa nkanyoranga eko aholere golira alia Makura ya siringi 1800 Ichena anya korora pampu ye bowl ya 1800 ngatera nko enapaka Makure skuru ndole bowl yeyo ndole ne pampu ile inchenge kumeli chona ikalia nkanyoranga kwa oliri teyi nkanyoranga kwa olite kunjiri
bagukwana kerekio nigo kerekio kebasabo liringa nere buya obwasi okubobororo ase bunge ya borabu anene mono asobotumeki bwe kibesa
aboli abantu baminto aborabu omonto nabolo okugoro kwegurubaro atabwaje urubaro nabolo ipambire bwaoli etayi ekireke mu 800 kyazire gakinkulera osewu nataka niseme hivi omujumbo yokubolera abamulechanga bacha kuogase omosangekano buno nigaboneta abamulaba chigasi elinga nabarabanyare kwerwanirira
kebasekere kioni gakwaneire ugotakanwa anene mono kwesira yabari ababeire bakubwatoka obokoreri nabo ige bintu byabo gochubwagachi ao bwe bunge yo yabora buinse yo mujumbo rabisi
aga supply chichuma 8 cha D8 nechichuma 10 cha D10 nechi bags 50 cha simiti pakamoliana nechi bags 30 momuno tanya waka lubese chiae noyo botoma abantu bakonywe echana bachukua mkutano. Mimi nataka kusema hivi ndugu yangu, nimewapatia siku 2 peke yake masaa 48 pesa ya kijana ilipwe mara moja. Isipolipwa mimi kama wakili kabla hii wiki ishe nitapeleka kesi kotini.
Nigekere kimurake baso hatebirenga nerebu yabamenyi nemono begwodi yakyabonyoru gotiga kwoni chikurago chisiko asekorende bachiretenga iryogo chencho borayi bwa borabu.
Sasa nataka niwaambie hivi abantu wa borabu. Iko wanasiasa ambao wamezoea tabia mbaya. Bago kora abantu baitu baba bataka eyine babasere. Omosera wasali gusia ito noborai igo inchekinda onyole nkogolele sukani igenga muna nabolera mama wose tata wose momurominto lakini tari kura ya ongo kogolia mtu yoyote ambaye anauza kura ananunua maskini onde mwezi okonie kura yae igakogorobo taka.
Steven Nyarike Monde, Ensoko TV, Mokomoni, Borabu, County ya Nyamira.
Pia mono murikito Steven Nyarike Mbune ko tinseme cyoche county ya Nyamira sora boti yorwa senchera ere yobwe kandi ba togoska motu tranese county ya Nairobi mwanche mwya sebono ikyama kiria gya People Renaissance Movement nigo gya korere musangerere kanoye bene omonene imeyo mochio Nairobi ase ba mochorere mubunge kwense moye bunge ya sabao Tomoske Caleb Amisi ko bomurayi obo gwesomura iwe kyamekyo abara ikorwa ase byama byo komereria serikali hegati yabo Madakarua David Maraga na boigo Eugene Wamarwa nigobekana asomo sangerekano yo na ase bako bakwanire kubwatana kwabo ere kwere Kinga Ruto gwika hagendenka wose bochore bone bwo mwako goja muri kito Linet Nyambane no arenge asomo sangerekano ya masayemo na kubomba horobotiro kubwatya.
The National Delegates Convention this morning has unanimously proposed and endorsed Honorable Caleb Amisi, who is one of our distinguished guests today, to serve as the party leader of the People's Renaissance Movement.
Gukwana ase omusangirekano yo Caleb Amisi oyuo ochorwa koba omurai wekyamekyo niga kwaneire esabari yaye yokoba omurai.
My journey to this platform was neither obvious nor assured, and my story is unique. It is a journey that could not have been made possible by faith, education, and generosity of others. My life began in the shadow of tragedy. My father died before I was born. My mother left me when I was 6 months old. I have no brother, I have no sister. Before you today was once an infant abandoned to the whims of fate. raised by a paternal grandmother in a rural village.
Tinga kiechechio boigo Caleb otebire ekiamekio gia PM na kio ekiama kia basae abubabeire asege kegetambe batabwati abarai.
In June 2024, the ground shifted permanently beneath our feet. A generation burst a new demand for a renaissance. Youth took to the streets. They demystify both the myth of tribal politics and the old political playbook. They declared, we are a tribeless, fearless, leaderless, partyless. We are still tribeless. We are still fearless. We are no longer partyless. We are no longer leaderless.
Babarai ao bakwambiriria eserekari nigo bairari bagerio na gukwanira ukubwatirana kwabo asobochori borebosio na kwenekia rutongo chiare kogendanka.
I share your belief in the imperative to make a clean break from the past and to forge a new Kenya that abhors corruption and extractive politics. A Kenya where the rule of law and constitutionalism are supreme. We at UGM Party believe in collaboration with like-minded parties and leaders. In our view, the PRM party is one such a party. We have several ideas in common. We are looking to form alliances with radical, reform-minded political parties as we gear up to send this thieving regime to committee in the next 364 days.
Nchi inachukua mwelekeo mbaya. Ili hali chama cha Caleb Amisi ODM jana wamekubali waungane na Ruto waende waunde serikali na UDA. So PRM being born today is out of principle and courage of conviction to say no. ODM was a movement of the people, by the people, for the people. And we cannot abandon the people, 75% of whom cannot put food on the table because of the high taxes, because of the high cost of living, because of the runaway corruption, because of the failed policies of SHA in the health sector.
One-term movement has demonstrated that a significant majority of Kenyans are ready for political transformation. But transformation will not happen simply because we say one term. We must organize, we must vote, we must defend it, and we must sustain it.
Arenayo Ruben Kigame oyuoro mubwatani bwekiamekio oraririe gocha kwirurukia ebendera yekiamekio ase ekerogo kyoborai bwense ase obochori obonene borebosio.
Na ninataka kutangaza wazi kwamba kama Mwalimu Ruben Kigame nitakuwa nabisha kwa mlango kuwa candidate wenu in the 2027 elections.
Korpoteria Ensoko TV Erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Muyamano Linet Nyambane asoro boti uru kuri mucyo Nairobi asentira jobe kandi bono tikatuske mutu mwanche mwerelia sebono ikati amenyi kurwensemo ya Transmara e county ya Narok niko besokire na kugikerie bikoro by'ikisegi ekyo kigenderete asensemo ya Ngararo Noret ekyo kigenderete go esgeka gechiki sato wikabono bakwana eya masemo negateseni egien Soko TV amenyi abo niko batebuna kisegi ekyo nigo chia irire amagima y'abantu gusira nabo igo okubaroko moremba kinseme ekyo esgeka gitambe bono nigo bono babolie wizara y'oburendi bwaime gokore ibikaro bya bwango iri gukora mu cyando yogendete ko banaria na gukora na gusaria murembe asenseme yo asigeka kirose asobwango.
Kwa majina naitwa Daniel Olirongo, mkazi wa Narok County, na ningependa tu kutoa lalamiko yangu ama kuomba kwamba hii vita ambayo inaendelea katika Enorete Ngararo imeleta shida mingi sana, na mimi ningependa tu kuuliza Mheshimiwa Rais mali yako akipata hii habari kwamba ashughulikie haraka iwezekanavyo, serikali yote ya national government ishughulikie pamoja na county government, kwa sababu mpaka saa hii ni kama wiki mbili kuelekea 3 watu wanapigana, maisha inapotea. watu wanakufa na hasara mingi imeonekana, uchumi merudi down.
Kwa majina naitwa Emmanuel Mission Seur, mimi ni mkaaji wa Kilgoris, Narok County. Ningependa kuongelelea vita ambayo inaendelea kwa huko mpaka Noretet, ambao ni mpaka wa Singishu na Syria. Hiyo ni vita ambayo imeendelea kwa wakati kubwa sana na inaendelea kuleta madhara mingi, watu wanawawa na hakuna hatua ambayo inachukuliwa na viongozi.
Kwa majina ni Silas Oletare kutoka Kilgoris, Transmara. Katika vita ambayo inaendelea huko Ngararo Enoretet, hiyo vita imedumu kwa muda mrefu sana, ambapo sisi tukua wadogo mpaka kwa sasa hiyo vita inaendelea kudumu kwa muda mrefu sana.
Tujaona jitihada yote ya kusimamisha vita, kwa sababu kama kuna maafisa wa GSU, maafisa wengine wa polisi wako pale, lakini hii sarakasi yote inafanyika watu wanauawa wakiona sio hakuna, tuwezi kusema kuna yote inafanyika. Ni kama wamekaa kama wamefunga mikono, sijui nani mawafunga. Inaweza kuleta maafa mengi, kwamba hata inawezekana pengine kuna politicians wako wamejificha pale ndani wakifanya incitement ili wengine wapate maarufu, we don't know. Lakini iko na hatari kubwa, kwa sababu watu hawatakuwa na ile movement, kufanya biashara haitakuwepo, ile free of movement haitakuwepo. So kuna hasara kubwa na hatari kubwa na maisha mengi na umwagikaji wa damu mwingi. Sisi tunauliza, kama ni waziri wa usalama ameshindwa na kasi, Mheshimiwa Rais ondoa iweka kando na urudishe Kindiki, kwa sababu wakati Kindiki alikuwa kasi ilikuwa sawa, ilikuwa vita ikiwa anafika pale. Na hata tunakumbuka wakati wa marehemu President Moi, ukiwa na clashes kama hii, angekuwa amelande pale, ametoa onyo kali kwamba hiyo vita ikome na bila upendeleo kwenda kushoto ama kulia. Kwa hivyo hapa tunaona kwamba hakuna haki, hakuna fairness. Tunauliza kwamba hiyo vita ikiwezekana, Mheshimiwa Rais acting mara moja, ili tuweze kuweza kuokoa maisha ya watu, kwa sababu hao watu wakikufa wote, nani watakupigia kura 2027?
Naomba sana makanisa makubwa, hii mabishop waende huko waombe waitakase.
So tunaomba kwamba tuwe na amani, Kenya yote tuwe sawa na tuweze kuwa na utulivu, ili wale watu, hata watu wa shule waweze kulala. Wale wamekufa ni watoto wadogo wa kwenda shule. Kwa hivyo tunaomba kwamba amani
Jide Cameron gebir na isa na ibere igoro yeji katane yese sto chiabona margo wanabu no to ko ren tunde ntangani ya maiya kore teseni kya okabene gen soko tv ko ntune yakabire ni gotyo chiko so mono mogeni te margo bona iga habana simanto mwenyeke ne mwana babu mtekova sago chiko kwanda mangana ni igoro yokumusira omwana munyaruka asibinyoro a imeyense ya Kenya na sibone ganga ya weekend yega no gotara go ikase county area Turkana asa au chiko kwanda mange igoro yega ngego chiko siro mwana munyaruka uyogene togetera makomu au ase county yo ya Turkana igo Masagoska ekiagera umurubiri mutu n'umurubiri ogukuna nendo yibwenge nchenene kirage
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Kama jengatara na iketaoni ya Nyamira na lena shauri sangwe ngararombo ijana umozu batera mabwari
Muligari bwa Soko TV oyo no moroberio gwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe to kuumira na kira litu kulie iki guchakira chinsa 10 cha mogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwa akorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andaje tasekerugo orambulete merondo kunya gusibero ngori nari ase screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Yang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omotoya kabwatwa Bakalia omotoya kabwatwa Amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Soko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono
Buya kegemo inde aso gutwanchira kobali yogiritangani kwegure nyumba mwago emambie
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari inche Innocent Onyango
Diana Ndem
togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asaba gotebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengane
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saidi kurwe binto kurwe kitapa kerege lakini nkwira ni mahega kego omuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
ensengongo ibere kera etageka na kera ensa amangana maya nigo agwateka nimbe ngotuka gosaka nabo igo gukumanya ayarabe gagwateka korwa ase omuchomane no Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane
obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna maryogo yogotindi amosariri wono yakireke wango guikarwarigo panya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa maryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari eryo twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
to Christmas number 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora kingatare icyobutindo
mwanchu muligereri Ensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliya gusi aiga no mugusi yakwa ulibaga na konyarako baga gotegereru ase 524 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwanchu muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare ko batoko genda asibali bali chinsemo chire isiko yagusi asichinsemo bune cyana kuru mwanchu muligereri elitonyare ko batoko umugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyare ko bakoigwewa na nene mono ntonyare ko batoko so asichinsemo Childoret no mugusi ora asichinsemo Childoret nera nyare ko bakoigwewa mwanchu muligereri ntonyare ko batoko genda asibali barasa masamba bune chinsemo chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tunyare ko batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyare ko bagakoigwewa asenjera enkeranu chinsemo chia Mombasa ntonyare ko batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare ko bagakoigwewa asenjera enkeranu aiga omwanchu muligereri asegeta seni ya Soko TV no gotuchi ko batoko kora eke igekuru gyeito tunyare ko batoko gekora asenjera bwenerete mwanchu muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiriri oyo mino mwanchu muligereri tunyare ko batoko korareria okorari kwa nyagosira asenjera bwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
mwanchu mugireria tirana karibu na ende tuchake senchira bana chideka cha tukene meronge tatu ni sato igoro yen sense sato chia bona marga westo go chaka beno murugirite semo ya kabere to chiko kwana mana manga ne ya kumugwata omwana omunyaroka mugireria county ya Turukana ane county namba meronge bere ni sato imeyense ya Kenya ane county ebwato mubaro bw'abantu abankirima wekaboniga igo ya kirango maragwe chimilioni yemo go chigoro mwanchu mwe kurende ne county bwata makongo ya nali ya kumugwata omwana omunyaroka ne county mwana omunyaroka Munyaruka bereko baga gwetera manna makomo atari kwende sukuru ne county mwana Munyaruka bereko baga konyomo na gosega konyomerwa gochiese chinka chinde ase myaka emekegima ne county mwana Munyaruka konengetwa hanene kara sama tukari yaye aikire na bari babwate myaka 12 ego chigoro kurenda margo babona mutari kumana nere egati ya baratoli besokiri na batakone kimwe mwana Munyaruka ngonyaraka gokonyeka asenchera ere yabene ngoko mukwanera homorai ibwe kyombekeria kya Ikwa Independent Women Awards omo CEO oyuareme studio omo bargo babona iga asto ucho kwanda mange nabo igo somogana gukungsa sana abune rure gutara ase chinse au chinse ya Kenya nabo gokone kimwe mwana Munyaruka ango sirware asenchera ere yabene no musai ukaba bakurundie nyange ama tukabanga kurwege mimo cyo Nairobi igo ikasense moye county ya Nakuru eseganga yeye moyoka konyo alichi tawro chobo chenu iligo chikomokonya umwana Munyaruka ase county ya Turkana ikaransa tugende gukwana mange na keranko mareta eye mase yemo umusayo ywe yimarwa bonega ime ye studio karibu
asante
mbuya mono nabo kulgereri kamera yawo
asama yeta ngoro ku Bernard Simanto ose vandoka Babu Mtekova inche nesio nande founder o Independent Kenya Women Awards ose varoka Jamhuri Kenya Awards na asante sana Daniel Omwaga soko twali bage kunyara gukwana na umugusiminto na gukwana na Kenya at large especially area say county ya Turkana Storage ko host event tokunyarukanga Ikwa Women to Connect mashinani ine program twanyereko kunye introduce under Ikwa mostly abantu bamaitenga Independent Kenya Women Awards ne platform ekonyara kego celebrate geko hon geko recognize women from various sectors but bonto kachikurigelinga it was just a challenge kurwa se leaders kuruchi county awa wakubolinga instead yetu togo chapaka twacha national again taking care ngekongera ansalia se ground kenyare ge empower umwane Nyaruka to take the challenge as a positive challenge na mbono to introduce the first program ekongea kwenda county awa nere tubatenga Ikwa Women to Connect mashinani ekuchikobe program mentanga ni kwenda Turkana togochikonya togo siro mwana Nyaruka kumwachi sanitary tochokora kwena nebitabu kokonya abana bali needy kuru muchudio Turkana and also tochokora mentorship muchokora tode a walk yoko hakikishanga we are creating awareness. That's why we Sunday last week on Saturday, I had to cycle from Nairobi to Nakuru to create awareness. It was not all about mobilizing. The message was clear. It's high time, mnaintu, tutinini twins. Tunyare gukora awareness iriga neiri yo gwakishanga mwana Nyaruka ta uchikoborwe sanitary ta kunyara ko batagende skuru okoba ye sanitary. Mwana Nyaruka okoba ya 50 bob tanyoro boli tobuguma bwabo saleke okoba ye sanitary. Yeah, that's why I was doing the challenge and that's why we are heading to Turkana to empower girl child.
Babu, tatarachi kuskochi mutu igoro event yao. Labda SEO ya Ikwa for how long kwa bere unazimo SEO Ikwa and wacha getie kiombe kia Ikwa.
Ikwa twanyengeti 2021 before kwenye watengeti mna platform ya Ikwa yangete mna Miss Independent Kenya. Miss Independent Kenya twanyengeti platform mainly kwa mwane Munyaruka kwa chi community au chia Kenya banyare go showcase the heritage culture of different communities kuru county our wale to kanyora beseke 47 from all the 47 counties watch at the national level watch go showcase the culture of their community chibagocha bakuru watch go showcase the heritage each county chibakuru tukakora 2021 2022 2023 you can notice there's a big gap. As much as never go chabako nyara okora mangana beauty pageant, rabe voice each community chiribako, but you can notice still there's a big gap. Okonyoro mwane Nyaruka naga netiribaga liyo konyora a platform area nyare go kwana challenges tiriba wetem na gender based violence ya pregnancy mambo mental health pono tuka broaden a platform yeto igire ndo mwana Nyaruka mwana ano omoswat koru county yao Panyori baga you kunyara to raise those various challenges they face in their communities. So that's how it started. Bono tukangea kokochi program in 2023. Apart from now beauty pageant, tuka introduce pia na award.
Mbia mono kabisa samarayu acha gitare sana.
Nkorenga
ebi na gitamba kiri gukwanda gustaika rukeke.
Na keke.
Negitamba ile sana gwatene ligolike sana. Na labda ukibwata na boko kumwa tumuli. Why Turkana? Edition yentangani kegima.
The reason to kwenda Turkana, I had a friend of mine. Event nakora earlier this year ya equal top 100 most impactful women in leadership. The guy agacha akambodi ndete go volunteer as a platform yao okulo ya nai. I can't yata to go volunteer. I was so eager to know like inki yako yata to go volunteer as a platform yaito. Uchi tabwa interesting I got it to kanu. Kante ya Nchenkuru county ya Turkana. Na temire ku organize event in Turkana was support girl child. Majority yabo banyalire bago soka, banyalire bago tige skuru okoba ya early marriages, ebintu mnewe early pregnancy. Angamde itsoke aka tukaswa kange program, go participate in program cheto. Bono on the process egento kiria ndetinga ati igentaba na chinyoro kaba wetera. Konyoro ready to achine program yo kwenda mashinani. Ngariginga okoba achide, why can't I do this? Igende chikonge ya Turkana. So that's how the idea of kwenda Turkana ya chite, because according to entire planet challenges chile Turkana, I had to impress the idea yo kwenda Turkana county.
Igatambeke kagero ndiye nyange kwa Nairobi kweka
Nakuru
se county ya Nakuru. Labda how was the experience na iganga ya nene niko yarenge koresi ibitambabu ni bibi bingi ochikubimukia ya masa ya emo which is a county ya Turkana. Ingaki kwa nyarete were you successful? How was it?
It was one of the toughest challenge I've ever done because it was a solo challenge. Another thing I think that kwenye kora nchi mna babu kurezi awareness. You know, sometimes someone do navara imoka tenga tote toko kore walk totally into twins who create awareness. Someone do navara imoka tenga tote toko kore marathon tunyare go create awareness so that he create that attention so that people banyare ko yani korora asubu wango. But I say like I said it before, like we are heading to Turkana, but no one took it serious. And I said because engencho loyanaye alikuwa meni explain about the challenges iko Turkana. I want to take the task I myself as Babu, because I'm leading an organization lead the women. As a man, let me be the face of this thing. Getting Nenyor cried the 157 kilometers so that people can see. It's not all about the girl. It's also about us to speak as men so that people can see clearly. It's real. It's something that we as the community, we as the leaders, we as the media also we need to come up and speak it strongly. There's a lady, Diana Kimuma. She also champions Mabona women. There's a day she challenged me, akaniambia, in a day, a man anaweza impregnant 5 ladies. In a day.
A man.
In a day. So, you see,
allegations.
It's not, it's something, ni kitu iko. Menelewa, anaweza. Basi ukiangalia, akifanya hivyo atakuwa ame-affect life ya wasichana wangapi?
5.
Amekuwa ame-affect dream ya watu wengi sana. Na hata push maisha yake. So, the point here is, tigatoi mukamo, tunyareko koraki. So, the challenge was hard, kurugeka paka Nakuru. Remember, it's a highway, a busy road. It's something that I've never done it there as a highway. Kwende nyange korua as a highway. So, but we did it. Toka tuerua. Nyange case aleka because you know that pare riteri alafuchi nyange chichi ngeli toko chendi aitaki ile rough design flag. Yes, but we did it.
So in short, it was hard but successful in a way.
Successful in a way. Yeah, successful in a way because message was out. You know, it was not about mobilization. Message ya chete siko na ntu aroche mbaro ba isogete bakatena na intu mbaro ba isogete baka donate sanitary pads and that's why on Friday and Saturday we are having an event in Turkana because of those people who stood out and said we are going to support the program. Yeah.
Watebire igoro yaba bwatani beso gatina ku support. Labda kiruch kwenda gweka kusoma bwata bantu kwa nyara bwatani gete banye bere ko konya na kugusira asomururi buno yiga obwata morro yo guchi konya mwono munyaruka.
Okay. A program yose yupi tin konyara konya koranchi weka. I have those people ba isokiri ba mwiri kote na nanche na ande still ne bane kano no cycle nanche ba mwiri kwa kikishanga a project ya chile paka Turkana. Gondo bata ando ba isokiri chi partners individuals bali ba mwiri nga paka Turkana. Yeah.
Kero kende umuntu nabolie Bernard Simanto n'umugusiko rwango rwagusi. Lakini gusigalia ntubwate grassroots areas. Ntubwate abo iboli bakuru asabota kaborobo ere mono bote kunyara no nyino ko kugaronis kuma shiringi 10. Abana babo bote kunyara kugenda no n'iki skuru gusere motuka bwate motukabo. Nabo ntarabolie n'umugusiko rende kwatakire kugenda aguchia essence mengao ere essence mere ere aresana korongo rwagusi kwatigira abana banyaruka bari bagucandika sorongo rwagusi labda nga kiore ire gatamuke munekyo n'ekingwana bunekyo na anene ka noro no bwateganga yo kurana back so lira bari ankana gokonya abono nyaruka
after try so get to gatanga ntutete kwenda Turkana na I program tuarete na niyo wonchokana na mashinani ne eliminating na ki tali Turkanoka ndo bwate county chinde already I've seen interested counties that want to partnership with us Migori county naro chimbate to partnership na into naro Chikericho county nitete will come on board so those are the counties that are Cliffy County auche waziri mangana agenda one thing also after this we need you to come to Cliffy County so as see once to akore ko Turkana togo sansanse to korige ringa ki a challenge yo kwenda mashinani nereni you know the first thing kwenda county otamanye undata ko manyeti ororo a county yo kwenda ego face challenges tofauti we are going to learn ngike wapen in Turkana to kwenda ndo kore recap nekere tutaito kwenda gusise ito inakuwa easy but gusi the planet na we are going to communicate at the end of the day because it's mashinani we are going to connect all women in mashinani and our young girls but gusi tunyewegeta sevirenge na tutakuja
Turkana tari yange sana anichikimita chiro chinyinge sana Turkana ne county kaire ne county chinyinge county wa Marsabit West Pokot nchi unasamburu chonsi ne chini county cha beri chikomori kwa sana se endoleronga nigo chigo twara mangana area development through some Turkana kere yani child development intobata sexual violence intobata early marriages gochia asabana banyaruka baremba kasana nanye batarike myaka 10 nebere labda chitarikiringa amokurukuru gaiga na keramo chikonga kimochika mogosomya abana baria gotatiga no ko batu chikwende ichoka mobate kwa bekire nchera yago chikobera kya mayirio ya bene nchera ira bakonye barabu kwigwa na koira mo gochimwa mbate ga school mapema baba kwa bakonyomero mapema na bayigo batiga mangana ndali yago korekana abuna gosabuna circumcision ya edieta bwana etia samwana musuhati
okay event ikari okorekana 2 days you read it 14 and date 15 so tokurugeka Thursday around afternoon tuchweka on Friday around 8-9 school tukabwate mami tokurugeka ma Thursday mugaso chiro chisanane tuchweka kororo Friday around saa 3 because it's 700 kilometer togo ika chiskuru njiro to kongera to identified togo chikongera on Friday you want school Friday to bate chiskuru bere awao chiri mostly affected again to togo chikokororo apart from koba chisantarage you know our girls mbali go chiba speak out majority of them bawabate no na baiboli baito mwana nyaruka akoba no ngote mamumu abonga ekemaene nimbate challenge ya sanitary data akionkonyo mam ngurigende most of them pauchi baba ko tebia bangina abaiboli babonga yaya nduta itegendeki bamwa wuchi wate boyfriend so the first thing again nduta to banga ne confidence kwamba igendeki ne nduki ya kawaida it's something natural so ndukero let's speak out so that at least na umuntu akora kokonya igondo bwate mentorship program togochi ko kwana ne chinyaruka ndubwate experts in terms of na kibago tumia menstrual hygiene chi program chichonse mtoka bata chi program awa chigo chikokana dit korea Friday, and then toku bokera dit korea Sunday and Saturday. Now Saturday mtoka bata program ya walk na run ego chikokorekana koru Turkana University mbaka place ko kunga loyo komo stoko chiko korera no abono to kore walk and then to ikorro to tenga it's a community, because this is something affecting the community. So to abeka the entire community nyare ko koraki wocha sobonge to nyara ko kore walk yu asamo baminyo kakeko kuro to mago twara chi program chia mentorship, mental awareness, to tware program ya menstrual hygiene, and pia nguchuko recognize story champions tiri bakonyara kwa bakokonya a ground tukuba 10 champions to chiko recognize this area. You want to watch program how chiko run apart from kwenda sanitary.
Turkana ukapina na kwandene county ne sana na nebwate Omar wabantana sana nabasubati bara abange sana amusubati nere chinga kichonzi chikaunti ya Turkana, Samburu, West Pokot mwekana okora magana households kulisi na nechombe kogenda roche kwa gacho nyombeli abantu bakomate nabagaka bakwa gacho nyana basubati korende nochikomera naba basubati ibe birango ibere etangani uche komera musubati okore myaka mekatre kune 10 tonyolero omwana ubugwa bwaye bweskuru obabekire isiko nochikomera musubati onyomeru bose obekire konyomwa ataranje osotigi bweskuru mwiboli eruchombe oiruchingami ochire ekonyomwa tumeti kusomero kyobegete uchi identify such groups of people musubati uri oiru omwana karo omwana wemekemeke sana esengenje maybe atawate kitambo ekyo akangainwa akanyora nyorenda oiru omwana tayo school in program kiso begete uchi kwanda the two characters of people.
At first ntwalinge kwenda Turkana tutarakora what we call a background research story lawyer nai o tenenta mangana ito yechi program tuamotomire ground I think 3 years kwenda okorangana ki school ki kwanza ile mostly affected ige nene keto kwire program ye egungo chiko twarere impact that's again take tangani again to kabere vone yuere ya young mothers waliwa igete kosoka mapema nere ibon to chiko korera, because now we must understand kwamba even the beyond people wetera asing in capacity building eta ya awareness eta yo banyare ku understand. So the first thing is to make them understand, you see, and then they again to kabere ne confidence eri boreta aba achinyo ka bange ya gochia lead to amangana earlier pregnancy. You want to know the first thing to akwate background ku understanding mbanto ki target ya itumbara biaba ente tanga nigi ya kabere keto tochi okore awareness into what expert chirimna nata before ba understand the challenge error na tochi okore a program which cover easy, and then again to eta fortune program as a equal women to connect machinery different ake sabo to angolgere ngaki sustainability project yana kire, because inyaruke wachire kwa mwire sanitary gere kwa mwa kwa mwire gosneyemo otumiro motienyi na ndo iranire as a situation area rengi. That's why program yaito the first phase kere to kwenda na chisante chira ku sustain for 4 months. For 4 months bono yaba mna phase 1. So phase 2 ngwana la story na ki impact na kire. Na ndimo na tuchukure na phase 2 as a team area stoko na mna bono ya to kora partnership na lawyer na, because na about foundation ya ego chikoba isiko track a program ena kekogana. No agende county ende still montonari kwa partnership na error understand the challenges error area ki mne county nene, so that paka understanding this area was this ward nere mostly affected with the which papi access, especially na Turkana chi area sinchiro kurua stogoi a main road kuchime skuru chintangani we are going 70 km kuchime as skuru yentangani tokogenda na kuru skuru yentangani uchia sayende it's around 40 km. So you can see even accessing even the G center part, it's a hard time. Also, nabora nyorenga nabako ni access, but also tara understand the process. Correct. So we have a lot of things that we have identified. So even if we are going to roll out this program, we must ensure the sustainability of this program, so that to ensure that if we have started, our young girls, they're not going to go back where they have been. Like, nande tujikoranga ki olitu eterero na mambe nande na yatorochi nande o soira okorek onyoria pregnancy. So you see, so those are among the things that we have considered when we are going to do these programs.
Babu, metie nyi kwa mwachirari mwakonyero mwana mnyaroka nendo akiri mjamono onyore kwa baka wakonyinka metie nyi tato metie nyi bia yar stantali tower sigetambe kebo chenu kyabere kwa gekomuremera gusege kwera no begete mirubiri ndegati maybe with the county government of Turkana kwene kinga este nere murach kwa mogo ikerne after the 4 months no yakuma mogo konyana you in talks with the county government in any way kera is going to happen time tuko semuru kebegete kwene kinga talimeti nyi tato yoka uchi kokonyaka kwene mwana munyaruka na chiko baka wakonyaka kerengaki kirankyo kiroko kiana kiroko hira.
Okay, the first thing before we involve the county is to understand the situation area say ground. That's the first thing. Negendo kiakabere to identify chi organization, the grassroots organization chira say ground, because now what the upper information kurua say ground. Aya ekere to identify to anyore data, even if you want to partnership with the county, already you know what you are doing. Because unajua sometimes there's a moment unaweza involve the county na ikwe more political. So that's why we normally like to a partnership na grassroots organization, grassroots champions, so that the phase 1 enye into to a roll out the program ekerea ngeire. We know that the 4 months we are doing it. The phase 2 now, the organization that we have partnered with, it takes over. Because already we have shown them the process to meet after data now, wow, to me understand but these are the challenges they are facing. And then now, that's the moment now, on the conversation of ikiendelea, we involve now the county in. We had different leaders were on board. Muna Turkana itself, we had the attorney, county attorney, we had different mawaziri walikuwa wamekuja. So all counties nimekwambia from Migori, the waziri wa education and sport and youths amesema wanataka twende Migori. From Kilifi County, Honorable Dama amesema we want to see you. He also deputy governor, he was there during our events. So from Meru, from Nyeri we have seen waziri pia Esther pia nataka tuende huko. So we have women when wako kwa hiyo space agenda, they are fighting for it. So it will be easy for us to push agenda sustainability yango chikobereka okake, so that tebe metenyeli metanga ni for ye kwera na stili nyano kelio koreke wera ni asaringa. So sustainability is to partnership with the grassroots champion, grassroots organization, and then also now bringing on board the county. Once the program, we have the roadmap na kiuchikoran. But the moment you bring the county first, sometimes this sustainability of this program in enanga inaisha, because it's something that we have experience about it.
Stigmatization kiabere gento kiwa affect basubati all over Kenya kero bare semetini yabo kware nonye asande mono munyaruka akoba kaba bakwirusi bugimese ngenchare nge class ime nyoranga matukali yikire tamanye tine sengenche kose namanyete kwenda nege tambe kitakibwate kiabo chenu ente kiagarira bana bamasekerere oganda bwerusi oyimabwayo timaiti apart from which koba abana ebitambe ime yense meja Samburu stigmatization ero koba koba affect sana timaiti any program you have about the classes in which Komasomia Igor stigmatization or how they do carry themselves.
Now, most of the people who are leading on these things, it's men, we. And that's why I'm leading on the front line. Now, during the program, ndubate abamura wanga bakare kokora mentorship also. And we have involved abamura youths on board so that to ensure kwamba I cycled from Nairobi to Nakuru 157, showing that noni into Apamura, we are solidarity with women to tell them like it's something that ni kitu ya kawaida. So as a program tochi wakora ntukapata Apamura ime watu ingana ki ngore ikore kwanza naye kwa na neduka alikuwa kwa Rombo Swati ose girlfriend ya gwe sanitary pad, because we need to understand, we need to take this thing like as usual thing, like ora imoke no naye otenga dero kwa chile supermarket. There's a day twangoboli like the last time we watched at the supermarket kwa sanitary pad ukere girlfriend ya also kaira mukao ngakiki onyoranga bantu bange mbaliko koreke mbanya kokora no na ninde sure the last time kwa kwete ndi
ononje
Let's be honest.
I have no family or
girlfriend. So I can only talk leader because they can to school ke kwa korno nyarokere asama tukae kora ngatoko saka hey tuarode you see. So but right now like you watch most of the men we are leading to show them like tunakubali, it's a normal thing. Yeah, so ndubate program and ndokapata umrabaka ko lead even the mentorship side so that when abana chinyaruka no mbarabumba obo. Yeah.
So lead ko mugokora umurogerindi nichwa mosi kusenchuma pili nangi moche gokora kelikyo mwari kabisa yako ni mbona musubati nkonyarale obujabwa yena kwa standard the meaning of a sanitary part, the meaning of being this being into stigmatized and na wente ku carry awe mangana emotions che na wente ku carry and nekera agwetere michanda buni.
Yeah, so tote program ntangani tukopata Friday tukanda chiskurebere togokora kororo tumakwenda Lodwar town. Awaso to chukokore program ikare on Saturday koro morning paka around saa 9 to chukokore ku recognize the grassroots champions also so that nabagongo itoma bare ground ndebe month that tabwati no budget yare allocated lakini uri getting and check as area across the community. That's why to then apart from also like giving sanitary giving the needy student books, but we are going to ensure at least we are recognizing the grassroots champions so that to keep them, giving them hope, like giving them morale, like we are together, so that go champion even them. We go a program take kwa Saturday. Nimesikia tu wanasema huko lazima tuende tuone ngamia vizuri on Sunday, but tutajua ni tukuja na maziwa.
Ona ngamia maukunya maziwa.
Tukunya maziwa na ngamia.
Ona ngamia Nairobi.
Okay, like kuna ngamia Nairobi na ushago. Ile at least hata tukamwe pia. Ya tunataka kuona ile ya tukamwe. Yeah.
Babu, timaiti maybe kisinga nchinga lakini turakwa nake. Nkeke gusembara ikiaba apart from the grassroots bali bago chikomobilize grassroots timaiti kose kwa bere ko bago ko invite no expected yabarai. We have MCS, we have maybe MPs, we have other local leaders like chiefs sabara imbare bago chikokane se event yao.
We have involved the county through the county attorney to involve na we were trying to get more leaders on board. Kwanza waziri wa mambo na agenda na youth, waziri wa education, because also we are talking about the education part, and also I have engaged different MCA nominated na wengine. So hapo unajua pia si tunatuma tunawasubiri. So but we have many people coming on board for that day, and we are hoping the best, and I know wanaskiza, they are watching it. And we are inviting you because it's our responsibility as the community, as the leaders, as the people who have got that chance to lead, because the community believes in us. So it's high time also for us to show them the way, and this is the right time. Yeah.
Turkana edition in Tangan Kigima.
Yeah, equal to connect Mashinani. It's the first edition ya Mashinani.
Yeah, which okonya mwana musubati nibitambia wachenu.
Yeah. But okay, we have been doing around Nairobi, but now here to connect Mashinani, it's the first program ya kuingia ground sasa Mashinani.
Yeah. Labda any feedback kwa nyorekurwa ase abantu au karwa chikimuri ne batoreka konyokora feedback kindi checheche maybe after Saturday korende bone wikira bonega feedback ne rende onse kwa konyore kwa you're in a positive channel.
Okay, we have positive feedbacks, even someone praying for the process. I remember during the day I was cycling from Nairobi to Nakuru. Abantu bangwa ndenga to agosabere, because it's not easy, right? Cycling 157, anything can happen on the way. Even like having someone mwenye anajitolea na contribute center, that is amo nagwa debi ngara kwa mna economy mna munyeroche ega kongete ko sacrifice montaru 55 bobu area o montako gore a kilometer, because I had many friends hagorete 2 kilometers. You see, so konero montori ogoisoki okogora taligento kia kawaida. So also those are showing that kwamba wame impress the idea. And also another thing, we have seen many leaders positive sides ni ile orochenga abantu mbaro baro idea ye very interested but I tend to county chao. It's also positive. You're talking again to tuangaire ngibwate future. So positives feedback zimekuwa poa. We are waiting ke akore program yetu ikire paka Turkana. Tumakoranga the feedback chonsi na kitiwo chikoba.
Labda tuguska mutu asinini edition ye ya ikiro mwerio se morbidia yo wakonye mwana munyaruka ngakionye bigitekiro mwaka ngayote tekoba at least target ya onogo kwenda chikaunti renga gusema shinani chinse mo irenga so mwaka na boigo gose na kurugabu next thing ayi horengarati ugochiko konye mwana munyaruka.
Okay, chances inchiro chinyinge na utraende Migori also twende Kericho, but Kericho ke happen because there's an MP I had a conversation with him na anataka combine the counties tano za Bomet, Kericho, Nandi, Trans Nzoia, Narok. Hizo counties kadhaa zikwe hosted in Kericho. If we are going to Migori, we are going to see on how we are going to make it bigger. We go on to what to kora into phases. To kwenda 4 quarters per year. So we can do it county, we can do it regional. Like we are trying to come up after Korea Turkana. We are going to see if we are going to do per month, if we are going to do per quarter. Yeah. Feedback, we're going to get feedback from the people. Community. It's a community driven thing. So still we are going to get feedback and tutajua nini ya kufanya.
Yeah, asana. Igo kurwa Nairobi na Nairobi no kwa baire asa matuka mangi. Timaiti turenda Turkana watayiro konyo konya abana baswa team ya Nairobi. Maybe munyar kuri kore chinsa mo chirwa konyere imeye county ya Nairobi na
Nairobi to organize Richu program chinyinge. There's a time I organized I had a mkutano na wamama na young girls in South B. I remember also you came. There's a time I used sports in Ileta Machakos, Nairobi na Kiambu together where we had a tournament Chinyaruka chache to County Jones baga kumupira tukanyara also kwena na sanitary inga kine twakwete Mukuru kwa Ruben. So we have done it several areas within Nairobi County. There's a time also to acquire side ya Narok, but that time to go create awareness ya suicide. To Kaira, Center pads also there. To acquire models in different counties by an commission. Baroba Koreire Gaiga Nairobi, Chikechu School wow. Yeah, so the program ya very Quran nearing a tour extended or running different counties now. Ile full we know that we are going to engage girls, we are going to engage women.
South B or South C?
South B.
South B kwa bere kwa chinko machiko taranga anake nkoboliere orai wo bonse moyo OMC me South B. Bikabonega mwana munyaruka kora South B nabe kwa bagako kokera Kende Jones anosoko mokonya.
Yeah, because school such program chinge chinanyore kingo kora mostly na chikore South Bay because now I've been raised in a slum Mukuru, so like that's where I started Okachi program. So the beneficiary abange banyere go konyeka na bantu wa South Bay. Both women and my younger sisters in different schools in South Bay.
Charity events babu amona siasa na ibintu birta bauti ne benga maguta mona manyinga karakene kwa nyorenga kwa biro kabogo kiruburai uno mu MCO South B mbo yana kitobwatenga hochikuendra gokonya abantu no mwana munyaruka ne iyo mbegu ne bigose iyo mbegu bigocha ka bikwe nyorenga ka tegere siasa mono.
Okay, it would depend no muntu yo ekere tatenga for example would depend mna inche babu. First thing again, don't understand it. When it comes to a community, it's in me. So there's nothing that will change it. Either when I'm in politics or when I'm not in politics. So again, to kirimiane and again take tangani. I understand maybe my capacity takwa chini sana, but I want nyasaka kongeke rogeke because we want to champion like at least this center things. Maybe zero tax free. Because the moment they get tax free, I'm telling you ita drop up to even 30 bob enye kila mtu anaweza kamanage kubai. But the moment saizi inakatwa tax, utapata ekero kwenda kule sanitary pad yese company ekogoro na 55 kigo che screw gari jumu na nchi ulio kawaida takonyara kwenda se company chikogoro yemo igakonyokora na 8075 yento mneke bake indinere bake yemia ono che igendekera sanitary pad era tax free tego 30 bob. If my fellow sisters vanyaire koba appointed elected waiche kwemuka ika kabisa batebe ngati bona se ikere igendekekebe tax free na bekoba. But personally mna babu ni nswa sobrai ni ntaswa still community will be my responsibility because that is where I have grown. That's where my project I've been doing. Like a community yani erime yani I don't know why erime yani yeah
to kunya bako bamurai
yeah
to kunya bako romurai tabarai and very
sometimes singo randa leaders pande ba soida sopo kambi onyo ulenga okore bintu bie community kwa ekira very elected things start changing all of a sudden ibintu chi program chiria gakore as a community torigo chirora wasinyunga kwani nkikekera as a county assembly was nkikere as a national assembly that makes someone change all of a sudden. But for me I'm asking unajua saa zingine tunasemanga Mungu atupe neema na kitupea hata nafasi zingine za kuongoza tusibadilike ile kitu tulikuwa tunafanya tuendelee kufanya because at the end of the day it's God who gives leadership. Now if you have been serving without that position ya kuwa elected or appointed, still may God lead us or guide us so that we mean to work for the community with or without.
Labda togo chiko siko chimuto ake togo kwana ngito chiko kora kigima ikasi yawe kora chiba soko ruseso mubuko how do you get such things wako kwa kurumega twarwa kwa na event ko gutarawa na banyaruka ko na event chemangane mupira sabasubati how do you manage it chiba soko rusemo mubuko gose
mostly ngonyorande well wishers wako on board watenga babu to take for example mna kwenda Nakuru ku cycle. So first ukonyoranga mna jitu kwa dinaga na ile gadi ya HSK inanisaidia kubeba vitu kama first aid kit, inanisaidia kubeba maji, inanisaidia kubeba ndizi. So utapata mtu anaweza jitolea kwambie instead ungenilipa kitu kama 10,000 pay me 5,000. I be like nime participate kwa hii process. Kwa nyoro montocha ngwa chimine company nera ali aso ya isogete maipadi kanga around 20 nini cartons of pads. They bought several kilometers. Pono kunyonga well wishers singo chapale. But still well wishers na achanga hata itako konya I support 100%. But also utapata ngwikora singa kete wachukua somo kuko kwanya ro correct ku fund a project. Mnabona yoko nyoranga for example na kurugega baka tukana it's 700 kilometers. Aya ekere kwa rugega wika gali bakwa ke means singa yokorara in Kyokoli because I'm going there for 2 days. No bwato monto media. So today sometimes ngwikore kwa somo, sometimes nobody well wishes, sometimes ekere toko cha chishomnecho montonaro akopa interested or getting endeke I want to support babu at least enda hata kama na maji vitu kama hizo. Yeah, it happens sometimes when you come mfuko. Yeah.
Na labda bado nogendreti timetiko sinogendreti nogendreti murobiri oboko nyako ko get more part usechi cha gwesa ne tayari
nchirai sana
nere kwa nyore channel channel kimebi warusha sawa ko gari bawo bara tumike ende ko ikerende ba nyara go support na uchigo support uiroka boko chiso mwana monyaruka.
Yeah, okay, asebali bago batorige tubonega munanate ambabu mteko and what a program ekari kwenda Turkana County on date 14 and date 15. A program etonyorogete Equal Women to Connect Mashinani. The main purpose no konyo mwana nyaruka no moswati as a sanitary na also ko make understanding na kende ke yamangana ya nigentu kia kawaida. Yobono nyogoteto ko tara na interest sabari na boko ogo donate no ni sanitary. Nabo ugo donate no ne bitabo nabo gocho no partnership na nabo gocho tenga ndete kwenda no ninje Turkana at least. So we are open for partnership page jeto usikurike Independent Kenya Women Awards. We are in Facebook, TikTok, na Instagram also. We are everywhere. We can contact the organization inchiro. Njibeka ninda available on social media at Honorable Babu Mtekova King. Yeah, na tusukume maneno. Yeah.
Labda second lastly kabisa. Ingana yaone liliochia as maybe politicians and wali wigwete ngaki wakorinde banyo champion na wakonye mwana Musubati. Yeah, you maybe have some word.
As a leaders, majority of us, ama tuseme kila mtu amezaliwa kwenye community. We understand the challenges our young girls and women bagwetera se community yetu. Igono kindi gyonse toko kwa nagega ebe mangana empowerment yo mwana nyaruka ebe no ku support mwana nyaruka with sanitary pads ebe no kwa mangana mental health. It's not something new. Andonse soko tenena kyo mundango bwata abwate akure semo yayo yonda akure kure side yonda tera kure side oyondeka kominyoka oyondeka gotara oyondeka go cycle, the message will be home. So nango basaba leaders baito tutagwanja tobwaterane twakikishinga at least ndurigo chigotanga ekere bagwe kabagwe kora analysis batanga usomwa ko ndobate chinyaruka useneje ne chiribisano banya tokoba bakonyora early pregnancy. It's something that we can stop right now if we can join hands together. So all leaders, let's step out, speak boldly, and I know we can make a great change in our community.
Maybe ukora kwa sababu umurubiri yo uno andatega na abuno gochikonywenekia guikarari tuko ria ichumani tuko ria Jumamosi imba ntombare mibya bana siasa bagwatane bawange sana bali bagokonyire na labda no baraga niko bakwana bari batatu ende na kubakarambye mono semirimo ibako timete gose no babwatanye tababwatana.
Yeah, I can give a shout out to a few friends. First of all, I want to shout out to my pad, my girl Kenya, wamenishikilia sana. They bought some kilometers. I want to shout out to Mrembo pads, ama Binti pads. They have supported our program. I want to shout out to akina Diana Ndemo, akina Austin Ogono, akina Alphonse Leonae, Elizabeth Philip, like wamesimama na mimi sana. Sidhani kama ingekuwa kawaida ama ingekuwa easy kama si maombi yao na support yao. You are so special, and I know that it's going to happen because of you guys. It's all about Babu. It's about the community we are helping. So Turkana itself, and then Soko Soko has been so supportive to me. By the Soko and Soko umekuwa watu wa maana sana, umekuwa mkin support sana, and I know that information imekuwa kipass kwa haraka because of Soko. So nyinyi wa maana pia. Yeah, we are together in this. Yeah.
Wakore.
Tokoro morobe kosetrako. Yeah. Wakore, but don't forget ndotangana ki we support our own people. Yeah. Wakora somo gusia betete asako tenena tomo support. Na bakore meno bago choro. Yeah.
Mono Babu so gwancha ko chana ko kwando murubiri wanene ho chiko koni mono Musubati litukuri chuma na chuma mostego ne konta tukana sabe na kero chiko kaga rinkorenganga eriogiria ndigwe kane no bokonyi bwa moreka nikigima kutsira sawa menyi bonsi be county ya Turkana nene so mwana munyaruka uyo gane tugetere mechando au asensemiri county ya Turkana kumubwatania nene na matukaye tara aira senga kia matukaye.
Thank you so much. Na hata alikuwa nafikia tunaenda na wewe at least tukuache Turkana huko unaripotia from Turkana. Yeah.
Tutaona hiyo. Asante sana.
Nimeshukuru.
Mcho mwelelea tuengenere Bernard Simanta Babu Mtekova yo bereka kwana mangi yurige tambe kege sana. Yeke tamba nege kurende kere kengenjo sana so mwana Musubati niko konyo mabwa yana kama koranga igora saga yakerara sama tukaye yo kunyaranko ndare class ime kunyaranko na okora chiga cheche abotambe nabe kumone kiribo chenu asomo beroye chingaki ichonsi nege tambe kurende kengenjo nawe okobuna baga kwana amangana mange kurwa asense miyiga migitisini geto Ensoko TV nane sabari yayo chikokonya omwana omwisikira iganga yaye yokone kinga bana abanyaruka imense ya Kenya nkonyora bari bagokonya ka gwetera sibitamba byo bochenu bositauro ochobotenu kwikira mwancho mwereria no chikokora muruberia ese murago babone cyo twigideka 13 yure chinsenye chi abona marago ba na bonsi barenge mega yemenyoncho kweta mutangani kabisa esenchere yimenyerire ngo twarenge na Saro Mekerubo na mega yemenyoncho twabate Abraham Bosire Kelvin Magoyi ntwa abuate Barnabas Kabena bayiga homusubati Felistas twabate Barnabas Ondari na bayiga homusubati Felistas Kabendi abu esenchere abene kinga chibi chama na Mario yawe ikere asenchera ere yabotweru kwa Daniel omwaga tora margo borumu ya ankyo nyasaye karanche